Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. If you're looking to use Shopify for B2B and wholesale selling, we'll explain how to set up your store, tailor it for wholesale transactions, manage bulk orders, and set up pricing strategies that work for business customers. Start by signing up for Shopify and selecting a plan that suits your B2B needs. You may need a higher tier plan, such as Shopify Advanced or Shopify Plus, to unlock certain features that are ideal for B2B. Once your account is set up, you can customize your stores, designed to reflect your brand and make the shopping experience smooth for your business customers. To set up your store for B2B and wholesale selling, you'll need to create a dedicated wholesale section or a separate wholesale store. Shopify doesn't offer a native wholesale feature, but you can use apps like Wholesale Club or B2B Wholesale solutions to enable this functionality. These apps allow you to offer different pricing, exclusive products, and manage bulk orders for business customers. Next, we'll explain how to add products. For B2B, products often come in bulk or with bulk pricing. When adding products, ensure you list prices for bulk purchases or offer tiered pricing based on order quantity. In the product description, specify the minimum order quantity and any special shipping requirements for wholesale customers. You can also set up pricing rules for specific customer groups to ensure your business customers get the best rates. We'll explain how to manage customer accounts. With a B2B setup, it's important to control who can access your wholesale pricing. Many wholesale apps allow you to create custom customer accounts, where businesses can apply for access to your wholesale prices. You can set approval processes for customers and offer them exclusive discounts or pricing based on their order history or volume. Now, let's talk about payments and shipping. For B2B transactions, you'll likely need to offer payment terms such as Net 30 or Net 60. Shopify allows you to integrate payment gateways for these terms, and you can work with apps that support invoicing and payment processing for wholesale customers. Shipping for B2B often involves bulk orders, so ensure that you set up appropriate shipping rates based on order weight and delivery location. You can also offer different shipping options for bulk orders, such as pallet shipping or freight. Finally, marketing your B2B store involves strategies like email outreach, building relationships with business clients, and using SEO to attract companies searching for wholesale suppliers. Using Shopify's built-in tools, you can set up email campaigns targeted at your wholesale clients, or use Google Ads and LinkedIn to connect with businesses in your industry. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.